So the first thing you'll need is an old t-shirt, and then a really soft towel, because it's going to be rubbing on your face, so the softer the better. A t-shirt for the soft side and a soft towel for the a bit more abrasive side, but not too abrasive because facial skin is more sensitive compared to the rest of your body. So something a bit softer than you used to dry your body with. And then obviously you're also going to need a needle and thread. I already cut my rounds. I noticed my camera wasn't recording when I was cutting, but anyway, all you'll need is rounds from both the towel and the t-shirt. So I just have here 6 of them, 3 of the t-shirt, 3 of the towel. So basically these two make one cotton round, this one make another, and that one make those ones make another. And then all you have to do is just stitch around to attach the 2 sides together. The whole point of making reusable pads or rounds is to minimize, basically, is to minimize the amount of waste that you have, because I don't wear makeup, but I do use these to clean my face. And for people who do wear makeup, you realize that you use maybe like a cotton pad, what, twice a day or once a day, I don't know. So all of that ends up going to the trash, and there's a lot of pollution caused by cotton because of fast fashion. There's a lot of waste generated by that industry, by the fashion industry, and then also by the makeup industry because of all the cotton pads that are produced, because people use cotton pads daily and you throw it away after every single use. So that means in a few you'll be going back to buy more, which means you have to make more, which means we waste more. Yeah, so if that makes sense to you, then yes, this is why I chose to just make my own. This is a complete one. You can see it has the towel more abrasive side on this side, and then the t-shirt side, and then this edge is just stitched all around. So I just use it and then wash it, dry it, and use it again. This is the round that I use a lot, clearly, as you can tell from the frayed edges, the towel side, and this is the t-shirt side. If it's a day I've left the house, then I've dealt with like dirt, sweat, smoke, dust, pollutants, whatever, name it. So normally on such days when I have left the house, I will use this cotton round with micellar water. I didn't actually buy this because, to be honest, I don't see the point, but because I don't wear makeup. Of course, if you wear makeup, you might need like the extra step of cleansing. Sorry about the sun, I know it's really harsh, but the way the way our bathroom is set up, well, I can't really do much about it. It's past halfway. I've been using it for a while, but I don't actually see the point. I got it from someone who bought it and it broke their skin out, so they gave it to me. Yeah, this is the oil infused this is the micellar oil infused cleansing water. I use this and this Juni, but of course once it shares, myself buying it. Oh, that was too much. This also works as my exfoliation step, because I don't exactly exfoliate, you know, other than this step. I don't do any exfoliation. Over the weeks, I've learned to be a lot more gentle with my face. Whoa. I didn't think my skin was that way, but it actually is a bit. Normally I alternate, like today I'll use this side, and wow, I'll use this one on one day and then this one on the next, or this one in the evening and then this one in the morning, because I've just slept. So ooh, okay, hi. The next step is now like actual cleansing with soap and water. Since my face is a bit oily from the micellar water, I will just like splash some water onto my face. I've been using, ooh, okay, that's nasty. To cleanse, I've been using this Garnier, is it Garnier or Garnier? Garnier, whatever. Their Skin Active Even and Matte Gently Clarifying Foam, that one. Mostly because of the rave reviews, and also because before I had this one, I used to use the not shampoo bars, but the soap bars, the bars that come in soap. Yeah,
I am confusion.
I can't remember what bar from Buki. My skin would be clean, yes, but I did experience breakouts, especially on my forehead. So once I was done with that one, I decided to try something else instead of repurchasing it. And I've been using it for a while and I'm happy. I'm happy. I use this as my product and I use this small little sponge as my tool. Konjac sponge. It's 100% plant material from the konyaku. I think konyaku plant. I hope I've not butchered that name. But yeah, it's supposed to be either Japanese or Korean. I'm not sure. But yes, I got it from Miniso, so I'm guessing theirs is Japanese. I think it's extremely gentle. The coolest thing about this sponge is when it's dry, it's like rock solid, and then once it's soaked in water or it drinks up a bit of water, it becomes like super soft. Right now I can't even, yeah. And then it has this little string thing for hanging it to dry once you're done. So now it's gently wet. I can like squeeze, I can squeeze it. Honestly, this is the coolest thing. I'm just going to apply a bit of my cleanser here and wash my face. Yeah, so I got this sponge. Did I say it? Where I got it? I got it from Miniso. For like I think it was like 300 won. I'm not sure, but probably. It is so soft. Like when they say gentle, they're not joking. Once I'm done washing my round, it is clean, good as new, and yeah, I just use it to dry my face. I mean, yeah, because I also don't like I don't rub my face anymore. Like I said, I have learned to be extremely gentle with my skin of late. Then once that's done, I just hang this, well, ring it if I can, and then hang it to dry, and then use it again tomorrow, and no waste. Once I leave the bathroom, the first thing I do is moisturize my lips with some Vaseline because they dry up exceptionally fast. Exceptionally fast. I'm about to say something extremely controversial, but I don't use toner on my skin. One, because I've not had the best experience with the few that I've actually tried to use, and two, because I think my skin is fine so far, so yeah, I just don't use toner. But in place of it, I have been using tea tree oil, 100% pure essential oil. What? Huh? Yeah, I've been using tea tree oil, the essential oil. I noticed some of the toners that I've seen have tea tree oil in them and they were not working for me, so, well, the ones I used. So I decided to just go ahead and buy the essential oil. I use this one by Aqua Oleum, is it? Yes, Aqua Oleum, 100% pure tea tree essential oil. But the thing is, essential oil, especially this one, it's like super concentrated, it's very potent, so they advise you to use as little as you can. So I've just been using 1 drop. Bloop. Yeah, so I just use 1 drop, rub that, and then pat it onto my face. Oh, it smells horrible. It does say here that it has what is this? It says it has a fresh medicinal. Ooh, wow, that is a bit harsh. Yeah, it says on the pack here that it has a fresh medicinal scent. It says it's anti-infectious, antiviral, and invaluable for skincare. Okay, and ooh, it has this tingling effect, so that makes me feel really nice and fresh after washing my face. And then once that's in, I use now a moisturizer, I guess is what would be next, logically. Yeah, I've been using this the aloe vera gel. I have been loving aloe vera gel. I've tried, no, actually I haven't. I think the only time I've used aloe vera gel was on my hair. I used the one straight from the plant, like cutting an aloe vera leaf and extracting the gel from it and applying it, but it made my scalp flake, like flake, you think I'm a cereal box. This is aloe vera gel by Nature Republic. It claims to be 92% aloe vera. It's supposed to be soothing and moisturizing, so I've been using this of late and my skin has been loving it. It has this, oops, yeah, when you open it, it has this plastic, oopsie daisy. I bought it from Korean Products in Kenya. It's an Instagram page. I didn't think it was this big, but this is a lot. This will last me for a good minute. Pat it, oh my god, it's so cool. And then just pat it in first, all over. Ooh, it feels amazing, especially from the tingling. If it's usiku and I'm going to bed, then that's usually my last step, and then I just stay with it on. Ooh, it feels so good. I just stay with it on till bedtime. Normally by then it will have seeped in. If it's in the morning and I'm leaving the house, I will add moisturizer on top of that, because aloe vera doesn't exactly seal in moisture. It just seeps in and disappears into it. So if you don't like lock in that moisture, then your skin might end up drying out during the day. So when I bought the cleansing foam, the lady who was mama in there at the till, not the till, the aisle, she told me that if I'm buying the cleanser, I might as well buy the corresponding moisturizer as well and give it a try and see how I like it. I asked her if they have like smaller tabs, because I've had not the best experience with skincare products, like I said, and then she told me that this one actually, it's the packaging that's big, but the product is not that much inside. So I was like, okay, fine. Anyway, so I've been using this one. The thing I don't like about this moisturizer is it does leave a bit of a it does leave my skin a bit whiter. I don't know if that makes sense, whiter or lighter, but in a white way, in an ashy way. But it does keep my skin moisturized and throughout the day, so I guess that's a plus. But I'm definitely not buying this one again. I'm out of shea butter, so that's why I'm not using it anymore, because that's what I preach, shea butter. Once that issued, I was like, oh, I might as well try something new. I might go back to oils. Maybe I've had good things about, is it grapeseed oil or jojoba oil or something. I've been doing this for a while now and it's really helped my skin. Like my breakout, my forehead was a mess before, and now that I have like a routine, let me say, it has, oh my god, this sun. Anyway, yeah, now that I have a routine, my forehead has definitely improved by far. Like it's completely smooth now. I just have a few marks from the breakout that was past tense. I realized before I was just lazy. Honestly, I was just lazy. That is my facial routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell so that you're notified every time I post, so that you don't miss any post. Before I leave, I'd like to shout out, well, there's a subscriber who asked me to like be shouting out commenters, yeah. So the first one ever is her. Thank you so much for supporting and for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.